Once you are a registered job seeker, the next step is to create a resume which will allow you to match your resume to the current job market, apply for jobs online through Minnesota Works, and allow employers to view your resume. If you had registered earlier and you're logging back into your account, enter in your username and password here in the upper right hand corner of this screen. Then click the Login button. From the Seeker homepage, we want to select the Resumes link from the left navigation menu. If you had just completed the registration process, you will automatically be routed to this page. Since I will be pasting my resume today, we will select Create or Upload a New Resume. And then from this page, we will select Paste from another open application. And then click the Next button. The resume we create today will be a chronological resume, which is what many employers prefer. In Minnesota Works, you can save up to 5 resumes. Let's identify this resume by giving it a unique name. The box below is where we will need to paste our resume. At this time, we will minimize this screen by clicking on the Minimize button at the top right-hand corner of this page. The Minimize button is the one that looks like a minus sign. Then, we'll need to locate the resume. I have mine saved on a memory stick, so on my desktop, I will click on My Computer, and then double-click on my memory stick. When your document comes up, highlight the entire document by either bringing your mouse to the left margin and clicking your mouse 3 times, or you can start at the top of your document and then click and drag your mouse to the end of your document without letting go. Then we'll go up to Edit and select Copy. Once you have copied your resume, we'll minimize this by clicking on the Minimize button once again, and then pull Minnesota Works back up by clicking on it from the taskbar located at the bottom of the screen. Click inside the Copy and Paste Your Resume Here box. Then you can either go up to Edit and select Paste, or you can right-click once and select Paste from the menu. Once your resume appears in the box, you can click on the Check Spelling button. If it detects that a word has been misspelled, or if it doesn't recognize a word, the word will appear in red. You have the option to either ignore the suggestion or replace the misspelled word by selecting the correct spelling of the word from the suggested items. Once your spell check is complete, click OK, and then we'll click the Save button. Your resume will be converted to the Minnesota Works resume format. This may not look the same as how your resume looked on the document, but all of the information is still there, just formatted differently. You will want to go through all of the sections to make sure the information is correct. If you need to make any changes, click on the section heading in blue or the job title to update the information. Once you click into a job history or duties, you can make your changes, and then also fill in information that wasn't included. Remember that the fields that are bolded with an asterisk are required. Then we'll click Save. And you want to do this for each job title that you have listed to make sure that all of the information is correct. At the bottom of this page, you have several options. You can print preview, delete and start over. If your resume is complete, you can display it to employers, or you can match this resume to jobs statewide. We will select the Match Your Resume to Jobs statewide first. It will use keywords from your resume to pull up related job postings. If you get 3 or more stars, then you have a good match. If not, you may want to go back to your resume and use the Words You Can Use button for suggested keywords to describe your work experiences. If you still need help, you can click on Link to Other Sites at the left navigation menu. Career One Stop and iSeek Solutions are excellent sites for information about occupations. You've just completed the Creating a New Resume by Copying and Pasting training lesson. If you need more information about writing a resume, visit the Seeker Services link on the Minnesota Works homepage to learn more about workshops and resources available to you. You can now close this window and view another training lesson if you need further instruction. We recommend the Search and Apply for a New Job training lesson next.